Wise versus Revolut. Wise and Revolut are both giants in the digital banking world, but they serve different needs. Wise, best for international money transfers with real exchange rates. You get multi-currency accounts like local bank details like EU, US, UK, and AU. It's fully transparent, no fees, and no hidden markups. No banky extras. It's a laser-focused money transfer and account tool. Revolt, on the other hand, is all-in-one financial super app. Stocks, crypto savings, budgeting. You can spend globally, hold multiple currencies, and invest all in one place. Flashier UI, but also a bit more complex and less transparent than Wise. And it's better for people who want spending plus investing plus crypto all together. So, who should you pick? Go with Wise if your main goal is low-fee global transfers and managing multiple currencies with clarity. Go with Revolt if you want the versatile financial tool, including crypto, investing, budgeting, and rewards, but are okay with some fee ambiguity. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.